Hello viewers, this is Benji Bless and welcome to my YouTube channel. If today happens to be your first time, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more contents like this. I will be glad if you will leave your comment below. Let's get started.
Your secrets, if you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers?
Okay, so today I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to get free gigabytes in order to browse your way through Vodafone.
It's Vodafone. How to get free bundle from Vodafone. One thing is that as you are using your SIM card to browse, as you are using your SIM card to make calls and browse, Vodafone gives you points. Okay, so let me show you how that thing works. Dial star 533 hash. So the more you use it, the more points they give you. So now let's check the point. Let's go and check what I have. Wow, I have 480. So red royal coin, I have 480. So let's see what I can redeem with that. Go to 0, go to redeem 2. Now voice, minutes to call or network, data for browsing. Wow, there's 2 options. I'll go for 2. Yeah, so you can see I was having 480. So what I can redeem is 100 MB. So if I choose 2, I can get it. Your request received. You receive a confirmation shortly. Okay. Alright, so the confirmation is in. So okay, congratulations, you have redeemed 100 MB for 400 coins on red royalty. Your remaining red coin is 80. Top up bundle via Vodacash to earn more red coins. Okay, so that is what you can do to earn more coins in order to redeem more megabytes to browse. This is free, okay? You don't buy anything, you just have to perform transactions. Mobile money, you just make calls, perform mobile money transactions. Vodafone gives you this opportunity. Okay, it's free. So if you like this video, kindly give me a like, hit the notification bell, and also leave your comment below. Till I catch you next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.